The Rams done took out the Buccaneers. Y'all thought Brady was gonna go back to the NFC Championship, huh? What's up, Katami crew? It's your boy Katami Poppy back for another mukbang. Today, as you can see, I have something very crispy and delicious and saucy. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering, what is that? What do I see here? It looks like some shrimp. Well, you got the first part right. It is some shrimp. It is Bang Bang Shrimp. And today what we got here is Bang Bang. Let me go ahead and correct myself. Keto Bang Bang Shrimp Burgers. I got two of them right here. All right. Your boy is hungry. I got that. My belly's empty. I got some naked crispy shrimp right here. Everything is keto right here, y'all. I got some broccoli because you know I got to stay healthy. You see the fresca. You see some crystal. Okay. Your boy's about to go in. All right. So if you guys don't like any smacking, burping, belching, burping and belching are the same word. I don't know why I said that. Food noises. Then this video probably isn't for you. I specialize in eating really good keto foods. That's what I do here. I try to make everybody's keto journey as easy as possible, as delicious as possible. And if you guys are here with me enjoying this beautiful Sunday night, I really appreciate you guys. Before we begin, guys, I would like to let you guys know, if you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. And if you guys really want to share what I got here with a friend of yours, a family member, go ahead and share this video. I really appreciate it. And drop a comment in the comment section below to see what you would like for me to eat next. And I also drop recipes as well. So I've done a lot of talking. My stomach is growling. Let me go ahead and get with it already. All right. That's right. Keto Bang Bang Shrimp Burgers. Come on now. I'm going to drop a recipe for this one because this one is a little bit more complex. So let me see if I can get this right without my pickles dropping. Let's see what we got here. Boom, just like that. All right. All right, right. Now, let me see if I can get a thumbnail. Hold on, let me see what we got here. Let me left hand this thing. Oh, yeah. See that? Yeah. Look pretty? Mm-hmm. Cool little thumbnail right there. Beautiful, ain't it? Okay. Let's go in with a bite. First bite. Let's go. Mmm. I am gonna really enjoy this one. Oh my gosh, y'all. Perfectly breaded. Y'all see that? Lift it up real quick. Y'all see that? Oh, man, why am my hand shaking? Hands are already getting dirty. You know, I put extra sauce on mine. Should have some napkins nearby. Got some homemade coleslaw on that thing. This is probably the most tastiest Bang Bang Shrimp Burger I've had in a minute. You know, Bang Bang Shrimp is one of those classics that you get from, what's that place called? Bonefish. I remember going to Bonefish back in a couple of years ago. I went there with my family. We went out there, specifically Kissimmee, Florida. Went out there to spend some time. I'm trying to go to Orlando. That was the very first time I had Bang Bang Shrimp. When I tell you that, I was so shocked. I was like, wow, like really? This sauce was crazy. The Bonefish, y'all done took all our money out there. Because we kept on ordering. They will only like serve up like, I think it was like 8 pieces. It was me, my mom, and my sister. We went out there. So, they will only serve just a few. So I was just like, keep them coming. Just keep them things coming. So, I ain't gonna lie, like I was really happy to, have a keto version of this one right here. And I'm gonna share that with you guys. Hit the like button if you guys want this version, the keto version of Bang Bang Shrimp that tastes even better than the original. So delicious. I might have to bring this back multiple times. I'm over using that jumbo shrimp. Yeah, Bang Bang Shrimp is definitely gonna be on this channel multiple times. You guys gotta try what I just tried. Let me get some broccoli in my life. Love me some broccoli. Let me go ahead and get this fresca working out the way. Get this ASMR this time. Let's get it. Y'all need to get on this fresca. That's some good bubbly right there. You already know that's right. So how y'all doing today? Before I know y'all see this Texans beanie I got on. Y'all over there tripping and crying on this football Sunday. The Rams done took out the Buccaneers. Y'all thought Brady was gonna go back to the NFC Championship, huh? Matthew Stafford is that dude. Look, if y'all guys love sports, I'm getting real busy, so I haven't been following it too closely. But today was one of those big playoff football Sundays, and the Buccaneers got knocked off. Let's go ahead and get a close up of this shrimp right here. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it here. Woo! Y'all see that? That is pure crispness right here. Let me go ahead and get a bite before I dress that thing up with some lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon on there. Yes, sir. Drip that lemon juice on there. Go ahead and get some hot sauce. We're using Crystal today. I like Crystal. I like Tabasco sauce as well. Yeah, but the Buccaneers got knocked off. The Buffalo Bills got knocked off again. So, and I feel really bad for like Stephon Diggs because the dude's he's a good receiver, and for you to lose to the same team twice, it's like dang, like what are you gonna do? You can't beat the Chiefs. The Chiefs are too good. You know what I mean? Take a sip. Stephon Diggs, he's a good receiver, and he keeps on losing. Just like how Aaron Rodgers can't beat the 49ers. The 49ers is like one of those teams that they're like nobody really talks about them throughout the season, but when it's like crunch time, them boys be getting dubs. You know what I'm saying? This is a team that's been to these boys can play ball, so it's only a matter of time if Jimmy Garoppolo can get it done. So we'll see what happens. Excuse me. Got me a little side of this Bang Bang sauce right here. Oh my gosh. Y'all need to try this. Follow your boy on Instagram at Katami_Poppy. Your boy is very active over there. I drop reels out there. I respond to y'all boys out there. Y'all hit me with a DM. I don't know why I keep saying boys. Ladies, gents, y'all hit me up. Alright, so this second burger is bigger than the first one. So let's go ahead and knock this thing down. There we go. That looks beautiful. Got it right. Can y'all take a look at that? Gotta check that. Get a good shot of that, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Hold on. Let's see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and get it in. Oh. I had to double bread, this shrimp to get the perfect crispness. Can't even lie, I'm really happy with how this one turned out. Your boy finally was able to get an episode of Ozark in yesterday. I'm one episode in. I like to savor. I like to savor the the seasons. Some of y'all are some binge watchers. Y'all, knock out the whole the whole thing as fast as possible. I like to take my time with it. You know what I'm saying? Because once it's gone, it's gone. It's like once you've seen it, it's gone. So that's just how I do it. So I'm just taking it easy with it. But the first episode was crazy, crazy. If you like Ozark, let me know in the comment section below. If you hate it, let me know as well, so I will stop talking about it. Yeah, make sure to stay tuned with my website at kentamipoppy.com. A few recipe drops are going to be dropping. If you want to be first to know, follow me on Instagram. You'll be the first in to know when those drops are happening. Who's going to the Super Bowl? Let me know. And what y'all want to see me, drop for the Super Bowl game day? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Because I plan on dropping something special for y'all. Watch. One day, my Houston Texans, they're going to be in the Super Bowl. I got faith in my boys. Y'all can talk y'all trash right now, but they'll be out there one day. In my lifetime, for sure. Oh my gosh. Your boy is stuffed. I knew I was gonna be stuffed. I ain't gonna front. If I take another bite, your boy's gonna pop for real, for real. Guys, as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications button. If there's any way that I can make these videos better, if you guys want to know more about me, let me know what I should do in the comment section below. And your boy Katami Poppy got you. Excuse me. And I can't leave without giving you guys a workout tip. Tonight's workout tip before I sign off, y'all. Is this. If you're one of those people that always say, I want to lose my belly, I want to lose my belly. Well, here's the fact for you guys. There is no way in the world you can just focus on your stomach only. Focus on your health and hit them weights, and the belly will come off along with the fat all around the body. It all happens at the same time. You can't just spot reduce a certain area. And I know you, especially y'all girls, y'all want to lose that belly so bad. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can rock that crop top and all that stuff. Look, hit them weights, stay healthy, and it's all going to come out all on the same time. With that being said, y'all, if you eat good, you're going to look good. It's your boy, Katami Poppy, signing out. Until next time, peace.